Hey pals, welcome back. In this one, I'll be showing you how can use Homebrew, which is a missing package manager for macOS. But what's Homebrew? Well, it's basically a package manager for macOS that allows you to install, uninstall, and update apps on your Mac through the command line interface, and it will save you a bunch of time. If you are familiar with Linux and you are used to running apt-get to install apps through the command line, then Homebrew is the equivalent to that. Let's start off by installing Homebrew. Go to brew.sh. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description. And once you've done it on the page, copy the long command that's under Install Homebrew section. Next, open up the terminal app of choice. You can use the default terminal or any other terminal app. I'll be using item 2. Paste the command and wait until it's fully installed. To check if Homebrew is installed or not, open up the terminal app of choice again and type in brew-version. If you see Homebrew and a version number, then congrats, you have successfully installed Homebrew. To install apps, you need to use the brew-install and the name of the app that you want to install. I'll be using Raycast for this example, but make sure to have a valid app name. To remove apps that are no longer needed, you need to use the brew-uninstall and the name of the app that you want to remove. Again, make sure to have a valid app name. To update Homebrew to the latest version, use brew update. However, if you want to update all apps to the latest version, use brew upgrade. Note that the command only works for apps that you have installed using Homebrew. If you are wondering how to search for apps, as the app names are sometimes really complicated, then use the brew search command and the keyword that you want to search, or the app name that you want to search. After that, you can use the install command that I showed you earlier and add the app name from the search result to install the app onto your Mac. Alternatively, you can go to the app's official website, for example raycast.com, and scroll down a bit and you will see the command to install that app, in this case Raycast, using Homebrew through the command line interface. Finally, to list the apps that you have installed using Homebrew, you can use the brew list command. By the way, there's another way to install apps, and that is to use brew install --has and the name of the app. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hopefully you have found this video useful, and as always, take care.